Indian Railways has been evolving over time by consistently instigating newer technologies, owing to its inherent commitment and constant endeavor to bestow the best-in-class facilities to passengers. The Indian Railways has launched the Vande Bharat Express. The Vande Bharat Express has further boosted the travel experience of the passengers by matching the global parameters of luxury and speed. The Vande Bharat Express is India's first semi-high-speed train set with enhanced passenger amenities and safety features. The significant feature of this train is that it has no separate locomotive in the front, and the propulsion engine system is fitted underslung in every alternative coach. Hence, the full onboard space is made available for seating of passengers. The Vande Bharat Express has got 2 air-conditioned driving trailer coaches with 44 seats in each. Twelve air-conditioned chair cars with 78 seats each, and 2 air-conditioned executive chair cars with 52 seats each, thus making the total seating capacity to 1,128 passengers. The train boasts of a faster turnaround time owing to the driving trailer coaches which are provided on both ends of the train. The Vande Bharat Express is completely designed and comprehensively developed indigenously. With the maximum of the parts and components manufactured in India. The prestigious train goes through multiple stages of production, which comprises of assembling of underframe, sidewall, and roof to form a complete shell, namely the unfurnished empty body of the railway passenger coach. Then bogies that have the wheel structure are placed below the shell. And following this, the windows are placed in a continuous looking manner and all electrical wiring are put in place. The passenger seats and toilets, distinctly designed and made for Vande Bharat Express, are then suitably installed. On completion of this, the roof-mounted package unit (RMPU) and the pantograph that draws the power from the overhead equipment are fixed on top of the coach, thus making it a complete passenger coach. The features of the Vande Bharat Express include fully sealed gangway area for keeping the noise out and for aesthetics, automatic sliding doors with sliding footsteps for safe boarding and alighting, continuous window with longer glass for better view. LED information display inside the entrances at both ends for passenger information. Push-back seat in air-conditioned chair cars with dining trays on the rear side of the seats with a foldable table in the middle of the rows. 180-degree revolving seats in air-conditioned executive chair cars with rollback dining trays in each seat handles. The seats in chair cars are provided in 3+2 formation and in 2+2 formation in executive chair cars. Automatic touch-free sliding doors inside the coach. Indian and Western vacuum closets. 32-inch LED display for passenger information. AC duct with UV lamp for germ-free supply of air. Mini pantry in each coach. Indirect LED lighting. Reading lights in the luggage rack above all seats with feather touch controls. Mobile charging points in every seat. Transparent and wide luggage rack. Bottle holder in every seat. Sunken type tip-up seat for coach attendants. The special features of the Divyangjan passengers include special lavatory for the Divyangjan passengers with more space, automatic revolving doors, baby tray and special side handle. All seats and side walls near windows provided with braille text. The advanced safety features include Kavach, automatic train protection system to stop trains coming from the opposite direction in the same track. Emergency alarm push button inside the coaches. 4 emergency talkback systems inside each coach. Aerosol-based fire detection and suppression system. 4 emergency lights in each coach in case of total failure of power. 2 signal exchanging lights for exchange of signal with wayside stations. Ventilation for traction motors. Flood-proofing for underslung equipment. CCTV inside all coaches. Driver and guard communication with voice recording. Hammer to break glass windows during emergency. 4 platform side cameras. The indigenously designed and manufactured Vande Bharat Express is an exceptional achievement of Indian Railways and a significant testimony to the nation's Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives, bestowing the people of India with a sense of pride. The Indian Railways team takes pride in presenting the Vande Bharat Express for its passengers.